Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block. Number block 2100. Let's get started! First, we draw a big rectangle for number block 2100's body. Nice and steady. Now we add 44 vertical lines. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. Great job! Next, draw 46 horizontal lines. These lines make the grid for all 2100 blocks. 44, 88, 132, 176, 220, 264, 308, 352, 396, 440, 484, 528, 572, 660, 704, 748, 792, 836, 880, 924, 968, 1012, 1056, 1100, 1144, 1188, 1232, 1276, 1320, 1364, 1408, 1452, 1496, 1540, 1584, 1628, 1672, 1716, 1760, 1804, 1848, 1892, 1936, 1980, and 2024. Now, let's draw the face area. First, outline the top center area using bold lines so we know exactly where the face goes. Time to draw the glasses, 2 big circles, and the frame in the middle. Looking smart already. Inside the glasses, draw 2 eyes. Big circles, pupils in the center, so cute. Now, draw the eyebrows right above the glasses. A little curve makes them friendly. Now, let's make the smile. A big happy curve, perfect. Let's add 2 hands on the sides and 2 little legs at the bottom. At the top, write number block 2100. Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 2100. Now let's color him in and bring him to life.
1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks.
Start coloring.
6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing in a line.
Let's start with black. B-L-A-C-K. Use it to color the pupils of his eyes.
Teach us counting. Number blocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling. Every line brings new design. Learning math and art together makes the brain and heart align. Counting higher, counting further.
Next, pick purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Use purple for the glasses and the eyebrows.
And keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy, joyful sight. Color corner, color center. Fill each box from left to right. Make the picture
Now,
super
choose
pretty.
pink,
Shining, glowing, clean and bright.
P-I-N-K, and color the smile area.
Full of dreams, drawing and coloring number blocks is stronger than it seems. Mix the warm and mix the cool. Use the crayons in a line. Use your markers, use your pencils.
Use dark blue, D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E, to color the hands and legs.
Drawing day. Now we finish one creation, but tomorrow we will draw again. We will color something bigger, maybe 50, maybe 10. Art and learning walk together, both combine as one big power. Coloring number blocks makes every minute like a flower. Color and count, count and color, just like this and like no
Now, pick light orange, LIGHTORANGE, and color the large 2,000 block area.
Make a square and stack another, build a number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing in a line. Now we color one by one, add each tone with careful hands. Number blocks can teach us counting, number blocks can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling, every line brings new design. Learning math and art together makes the brain and heart align. Counting higher, counting further, 20, 30, 40 more. Numbers rising like a tower, bigger blocks than ever before. Fill the colors in between, keep it neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together is a happy, joyful sight. Color corner, color center, fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders. Pick a color, pick a shade, let the drawing time begin. Make a square and stack another, build the number block within. Every line we draw is magic, every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative, this is how the numbers grow. How? Color softly, color gently, fill the picture nice and bright. Red and pink and purple, yellow, turn the page into delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8. Let's go! Let's go!
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together is a fun and happy ride.
Color gently, nice and slow, fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue, every shade and every hue. Inside the lines we color neat, smooth and soft without a rush. Drawing number blocks with joy is a magic we can never crush. Yow!
Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back again. Every number tells a story, 1 to 10 and 10 to 10.
We can color while we learn, we can learn while we create. Number blocks are friendly friends and learning always feels so great.
Coloring top to bottom.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes we begin, step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Drawing is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside, fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow, this drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends, learning helps our minds to thrive. Color the color inside. Color the color inside. Count with me, 1 to 10. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. Yeah! Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes we begin, step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Drawing is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun.
Next, pick yellow, YELLOW, and orange, ORANGE. Use both colors to fill the watch belt and the dial area.
Let it glow, this drawing time Let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every
Finally,
block
pick
becomes a
light red, L, I, G, H, T, R, E, D, and color the top center block area of 2100. While coloring, 2100 means 2100s equal 2000s plus 100.
From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, 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 hooray. Red and blue.
All done! Great job drawing and coloring number block 2100. 2000 is T, W, O, T, H, O, U, S, A, N, D, and 100 is O, N, E, H, U, N, D, R, E, D. We can also break it like this. 2000 plus 100 equals 2100. 2000 plus 100. I'm made of lots and lots of blocks. 2100. That's 21 squares of 100s.
Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things, the colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying happy as can be. 1, 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow. 5 busy little brown bees buzzing around the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what a happy breeze.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing and coloring fun.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.